I think the word you're searching for is Space Ranger.
This Space Ranger will open up in theaters this week, and what better way is there for us to celebrate this movie from our favorite studio than to collaborate and smash it together with our favorite brand, G-Shock, in this equally fictitious collaboration, redesign, illustration, concept, whatever you may call it. I love the Buzz Lightyear design, and the one in the movie is an amazing rendition of the original toy. For my illustrations, I always take the most recognizable features of the character first and work down to the details last. In Buzz's case, who could ignore that spaceman head shield? Next is the purple and green areas that form his iconic color palette. The largest color blocks are white and gray. These large color areas are often ignored by our eyes and is lost against the accents. Some of the accents are decals and labels. These often build the character and provide personality. These may be the smallest and last details, but missing them can make the design bland or unfinished. Now that we've done our homework, it's time to find a watch that will match our target design. I'm going to cheat here a little because I already had a G-Shock model in mind, which actually reminded me of Buzz when I first saw it, the ICERC 6900. Next, I took a Mr. Cartoon model that has a button that I can work with while having big blocks of gray that we can turn into white for some areas of the case. These will then go to the upper and lower portions of the new 6900. These are the opaque parts that is attached or painted on to the mostly transparent case. This combo really captures the large transparent parts of Buzz's helmet that exhibits the purple hood of his head. The large blocks of opaque gray will then become his spacesuit. Because of these, there's no need for these see-through straps. We'll replace these with opaque white straps later. From here, you can already see the design taking shape. So now it's time to bring in the movie Buzz for reference. We'll sample the green panels of his suit and use that color to paint over our watch. I would imagine G-Shock using their dual molding process to fuse together the clear opaque parts while painting over these green areas. I try to limit also the coverage of these green accents to give the whites more room to be prominent. At this phase, I love to toy around with some decals and smaller details to keep me engaged to the character. The Star Command emblem is perfect for this. It will give me a strong idea that this watch is a representation of Buzz. I chose the Mr. Cartoon model for this purpose, so I can paint over the G button and shape the emblem over it. Once I'm happy with the placement and form of the figure, I felt it was time to touch up the tones and color of this special 6900. Here I could bolden up the shadows a little bit and bring the blue parts to a more vibrant purple shade. G-Shock has always been a champion of bright and striking colors, so this decision seems in character for the brand. I did some touch-ups here because the G-Shock text was discolored into a green tone during my adjustment, so I painted over it with yellow, a color that's also used on Lightyear's badge. It's getting closer now to the design we wanted. I added some more of the details from Buzz's suit to really refine this illustration. The buttons on his right side, the red lock switch on the left, and his Lightyear badge were all added in. However, I felt that the badge on this correct area actually went too far at the sacrifice of logical placement, so I moved it where the tough solar text used to be. Now that we're pretty much finished with the case, it's time to set our sights on the strap and how we're going to tie it in to the model. Buzz's abs are thoroughly protected by this articulating armor. This will match the bending parts of the strap nicely, so it would be a great idea for these to be painted on. I'm pretty pleased of this concept, and I think it gives both Lightyear and G-Shock fans some great elements to love. Even though this watch is made from particles of imagination, the Space Ranger it's modeled after will live on to infinity and beyond. So what do you think? Does it work? Does this 6900 look like Buzz Lightyear? Comment down below. Or you could also suggest other characters that you'd like to turn into a G-Shock. Let's see if this works. Oh, it still works.
Hello, my friend. Are you ready for adventure in uncharted space?
No, not yet. Whoa, it stopped.
I'm Buzz Lightyear, Space Ranger. I come in peace.